Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Richard from Come Quick, your favorite mobile mechanic in the mix. So, right now I'm working on a Chevy Express 1500, and what's going on is the AC's cutting off because the car goes into a thinks that it's overheating because the coolant temperature sensor is faulty. So that is actually in the doghouse, and we also went ahead and replaced the thermostat as well. So you can see this one was all pretty bad. So got that exchanged. That's right over here, right under there, and then the engine coolant temp sensor is right here. You see, that's, you got to remove the doghouse. You're actually gaining access from the inside. So if your AC is cutting off and it's giving you a message for the AC off due to engine hot, but your isn't overheating, you should replace these two components because this is most likely your issue. It's a common problem. And as always, thanks for tuning in, y'all.